everyone, this is teacher Jaffe Wong here. You can just call me teacher J. Okay, Jeffrey is my nickname. You can call me teacher Jeffrey or teacher Jaffe, up to you. So everybody, today we gonna learn about some adjective to describe the scenery. So next time when you go travel and you meet some foreigners, maybe some foreign, okay, the friends from other countries, you can express your feeling. Okay, when you see the scenery, you can know how to describe it. So everybody, let's get started. So okay, I want to know, right? Everybody, I'm gonna show you different kind of scenery. Okay, yeah, and then you explain each picture of them. Okay, and tell me what's your favorite one. How would you describe it? Okay, so everybody, let's get started. So everybody, yeah, remember last time we talked about this scenery, right? So what scenery is this? This is a sunset view, right? Sunset view. Yes, good job. Okay, everybody still remember, right? Okay, how would you describe this? Okay, Max, what did you say? Beautiful, that's right. Okay, you can say this is beautiful. So what about this one? What is this? Everybody? Yes, JC? Waterfall, that's right. Okay, somebody, okay. So how would you describe this? Beautiful? Okay, so you guys are using the same word beautiful. That's the reason we want to learn more about this today. So I will tell you more adjective later. I will say this is gorgeous. Okay? So okay, never mind. Okay, we will learn more later. Okay, everybody. So in the end of the lessons, if you be able to use the correct adjective to describe scenery, you will be able also to express your feeling by looking at the things. Okay, during traveling. So I want you to know, okay? So for example, if you see something, you have your feeling, you know how to speak it in Chinese or Bahasa Malaysia, but sometimes it's hard for you to to speak English, right? So today you will learn different kinds of adjective to describe those. One we mentioned like waterfall, okay, and also sunset, or maybe the night view, paddy view, jacaranda trees. How would you describe that? Okay, everybody, do you understand what I mean? What are we going to do? Yes, Max. Yes, we are going to learn about the adjective and also learn how to describe it. So everybody, now I will show you some adjective, tell you what is the meaning and how could we describe it. So everybody, today we gonna learn some word. So let's get started. So everybody, today we're gonna learn some word. Okay, other than beautiful, you can also say, okay, we can also use the adjective as fascinating, gorgeous, and pretty. So what's the meaning of fascinating? Fascinating is something like really attract you. Okay, that's also called charming. Okay, it makes your attention. Okay, it makes you have the attention. Okay, to pay attention to something. It makes you to have, okay, you think this is beautiful and then we will pay attention. That's called fascinating. Okay, so okay, in Chinese we call it as 迷人. Okay, gorgeous means like something really really beautiful. Okay, have you ever watched American movie? They say, oh, the lady is gorgeous, means extremely beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, or the view, we can also describe the view as gorgeous, or you can just use pretty. Okay, it's more like, okay, beautiful. So everybody, I would say this is fascinating, right? Right. You will pay attention to this. This is beautiful, right? I will also say this is gorgeous. Look at the Sydney Opera House. This is gorgeous, extremely beautiful, right? And I will say this is pretty. Okay, so everybody, are you clear for this? Okay, and another one we're gonna learn the other one like magnificent, spectacular, incredible, impressive, and also ancient. Magnificent means something big and beautiful. Same goes to spectacular. Incredible means something like, okay, it's really, really good. Okay, maybe you couldn't believe that. That's called incredible. Impressive means like something will make you like, wow, very amazing, impressive. So what's the meaning of ancient? Ancient means something really old. So can you say this is ancient? Yes, it is. It is ancient, right? Something really old. Okay, this is the scenery around the temple in Bali. This is ancient. So this is the paddy field. Paddy field is what? this view is, somebody say what? Okay, okay, I would say this is magnificent. Okay, so what about this one, the sunset view? We can also say this is impressive. Why not? Very amazing, right? Look at the colors. So, right, everybody. Okay, do you understand now? Okay, all the words we just learned. Okay, everybody, if you understand, give me okay. So everybody understand, right? Good job. Okay, right now, everybody. So for example, right? Okay, for myself, I want you to make a sentence. For myself, I would like to visit uh I would like to visit Museum Park to see the Jacaranda. Okay, Jacaranda view. Because Jacaranda view is amazing. Oh, amazing. We never learned this right today because we learned this previously. So we changed the word to impressive. Okay. Jakarta view is impressive. And also I would say it's magnificent. Right. Everybody, let's look at this again. Okay, let's look at this again. So the Jakarta view for me is impressive and also it is magnificent. Right. Okay, so this is my answer. Now, everybody, I want you to tell me about your answer. So this time you will have to do it by yourself. Okay, everybody, you will have to describe, okay, why do you like that thing? Okay, which one do you want to go? I want you, okay, to tell your classmate. Okay, to tell your classmate. So which one? Okay, the questions will be, which scenery would you like to visit and watch in Australia? What is the reason? Okay, everybody, what is the reason? Okay, so right here, everybody, I will put you into different groups. If you have to ask your classmate these questions, which scenery would you like to visit and watch in Australia? Okay, and why? Okay, so now we have JC and Alden for the first group. Yes, JC, you can ask Alden. So Alden, yes, JC asked, just ask you. Which scenery would you like to visit and watch in Australia? Okay, so Elden, your answer is? Oh, okay. So Elden answer is I would like to visit Sydney because I want to see the night scenery in night scenery and also I want to look at the Sydney Opera House because I think the Opera House is Elden, what's that? It's impressive, good job, okay. And also ancient okay, that is the thing we have to think about that. Okay, is that really, really old? If that is, then you can use that. Okay, so it's okay if you make some mistake. We learn from the mistake we learn. Okay, so now let's go to the second group. Wow, good job, excellent. You guys did a good job. Okay, now you guys will have an independent practice. Okay, so everybody, I want you have to imagine you are visiting a different country and then you have to provide the descriptions of three scenery you are going to share with your travel partners. So everybody now imagine you are in the country now. Okay, so now I will give you some picture. Okay, this is the waterfall, this is the jungle, this is the forest, this is a canyon. So now you walk here and then you have to discuss with your friend. Okay, I will not give you the guidance this time. You will have to do it yourself. Okay, so here you done. Good job, everybody. So only one thing, JC, I want you to pay attention is, okay, when you want to use those adjectives, remember to use, for example, the scenery is amazing. Remember the is you have to put it inside. Don't forget that. Okay, that's important. Okay, okay, I understand the content is good. Okay, only the grammar form have to be pay attention just a little bit. Okay, so now we are going to the assessment part. Okay, so for this time, okay, you will have different kind of sceneries and you will have to describe these places with the adjective. And now everybody, I want you to write a paragraph, okay, to your friend, to your friends. Okay, which one will be your choice? Okay, okay. I will give you some picture you haven't seen it in the real life. For example, Norway, okay, Northern Lights, okay, and this is the Egypt pyramids, okay. You will have to write a paragraph and then give this letter to your friend. So everybody, here we end the lessons today. Okay, I will give you some constructive feedbacks after. Bye bye everyone. See you next time.